Sometimes newborns can be really sleepy feeders, and so our expectation would be that a newborn or infant should be able to stay awake to feed from both sides 10 to 15 minutes each side. But if your little one's sleeping on the job, a few tricks you can try would be to just feed them directly in a diaper so they don't get too warm while nursing. Another one would be stimulating a little feeding reflex in their palm by rubbing that while they're latched on. Another one would be using breast compression, so help to kind of squeeze the milk from the back part of the breast or chest into your baby's mouth, as well as something called switch nursing, which means 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. So 2 rounds of nursing, because usually if a baby falls asleep at the chest but is still hungry, you take them off and they perk right up. So as long as your baby is gaining weight well, a little bit of a longer, sleepier feed isn't an issue. But if they're struggling to gain weight, try these tricks and possibly meet with an IBCLC.